guys, this is Bass from Sasuke Gaming, and today we're gonna do the magic soap and microwave experiment. Let's go. So you put it 50 seconds. Go. Now we're gonna wait. Comment in the comment below what's gonna happen. Oh my god. It's marshmallow! Clouds. It's clouds. Yeah, maybe not. It's working. Okay, now it's pretty big. Okay. It's pretty cool, no? 14 seconds. It's getting big. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay.
Wow.
Okay, that's pretty cool.
Ooh.
Don't eat it, okay? Just don't. Oh, it's squishy. Oh my god. Oh, we can do it another time. Oh, it's pretty cool. Touch it. It's cool. No, here.
Wow.
Here.
I wish I can eat this, but it's dangerous.
Do you want to do it again with this?
If you want.
Okay, so let's go. We're gonna do it another time. We maybe put it 30 seconds.
No, you can put it 50 also.
50? Okay. Let's go.
It's going again.
That's pretty cool.
Can I put it on my birthday cake?
I don't think so. They're pretty cool, but
How lovely to take a shower with those.
cloud shower.
My God.
Oh.
Got an explosion here.
I wish I could eat it. It's pretty good. Oh. Okay.
Wow.
Oh, that's big. That's real. Oh my god.
Oh my God.
Okay, that looks like
Now we prepared the
Cream.
Greek yogurt.
oh,
It's hot?
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Okay, bye. If you like the video, like the video and subscribe.
And we're coming with new experiments soon.
Bye, guys.
Ciao, guys. Let me eat this.